Hello G, Burma market, Burma Bazaar.
Burma Bazaar. Burma Bazaar na Paris Burma Bazaar.
Sorry?
Burma Bazaar.
Burma
Bazaar. Burma Bazaar.
How much?
100 out.
100. How far? Like 10 kilometers, huh? Okay. So more Bazaar, the place we just went through now, it was a little small, but it was just outside the market that I want to go to, which is called Burma Market. Burma Market is a sort of thieves market similar to this, or what they call in India the Chor Bazaar, which means thieves market. So I imagine that means things that get stolen from tourists or from people end up here. And this market was a little small. We'll see if Burma markets is more. They call it Burma market because a bunch of refugees from Burma or Myanmar fled to India and settled there. And I believe there's about 200 shops with electronics, watches, bootleg imports. Here in the background is Chennai. You have colonial architecture and churches. Oh man, we got one more day and the moon will be full.
Okay, dude, you ready?
I know words, I have the best words.
What are you, getting high back here? You're hotboxing the place. I don't know another country you can just walk through with your camera like this without one, getting it stolen, and two, everyone just wanting to be on camera.
I'm from America.
You're from America, from New York. You look American.
Yeah, I know. The white man, black man, blood are the same.
White man, black man, we're the same.
Yeah.
Red blood.
Okay. Expensive, huh? You want some tobacco, cigarette paper?
No, thank you, but I appreciate it. Trying to hustle me tobacco. Nice to meet you guys. Trump. Gee, you got any naughty movies? Naughty movies. Very good movies, yeah. Let's see how much they sell these things for. Gee, how much do you sell the speakers for? Gee, how much do you sell the JBL speakers for?
JBL, 1,600.
1,600. I think that's about $30, $25. I don't know if that's a good deal or not, but that's the first price. Man, look, they all sell the same thing. I can't rationalize it. Oh, kittens! If I worked here, I would eat everything.
Yes, yes.
Something I've noticed here from my time traveling India is that sometimes people will stare at you and they'll give you these sort of looks like this, but as soon as you say hello or namaste or namaskar or hi, their face instantly lightens up and they have the most incredible smiles. Here, I'll show you. Hello, sir.
Where are you from?
I'm from America. Where are you from? Are you Indian?
No. I'm Indian.
Your
Father also, but Myanmar.
Wow.
Yes.
Father's Myanmar, mother's Indian.
Yeah.
Half.
Yeah, good.
They look like they're looking at alien technology.
How much rupees?
हाँ बहुत पैसा
बहुत पैसा
हाँ
कितना दाम है
here he is. There's the man. Hello friend. Hello friend. Hello sir, how are you? So if I ever need any cell phone accessories or a watch, I know where to come. Live नहीं, video है YouTube. Look at these interesting phone cases. If they had one for an iPhone, I would definitely get it. I love my mom. Buy a gun. Sir, do you know where I can buy a real gun? A real gun. You guys sell real guns here? No English. Hindi बोलते हैं. Tamil. Hindi नहीं.
हिंदी नहीं
Gun. A real one.
टॉयज
Only toys.
टॉयज
Ah. Rats. Sorry, G. Hello. Excuse me, sir. Oh. Oh, he just grabbed my shirt. Which watch is the cheapest? Cheapest. बहुत सस्ता. Yeah? कितना?
150
150. Wow, that's cheap. Very cheap. 150 rupees. Good price. Photo. Oh, बहुत सुंदर है जी.
आज कहीं लपड़ी जा यार मंत्र मारो आज कहीं लगी है गुरुग्राम मारो
Oh wow, very good. It's an Adidas watch too.
Adidas
Adidas कंपनी हम लोग कंपनी
150.
150
Wow, that's cheap. That's a good price.
Where is China
Just because I love this man, I'm gonna buy it.
चाइना
It's made in China. Oh wow.
all China
Ah, we did it. We made it to the end of Burma Bazaar. Hello.
Jesus cuts opposite Jesus cuts
Opposite. Oh, Jesus. Jesus is over there. He's hanging out over there. Wow. Hello, G. Wow, beautiful flowers. Hello, how are you? What's your name? Oh, wow, beautiful name. Hello, sir. Namaste. There you are, you're on camera. Ah, hello. How are you? Ah, bahut sundar hai ji. Just when I thought it was the end, I was wrong. There's more. Hey, what's up, player? How are you? Boom. What up, player? Ram Ram. Hello, sir. Hey, what's up?
How are you?
Doing very well, sir.
What it is?
This is camera.
Camera.
YouTube है.
Oh. Okay.
कितना?
Hey, हिंदी.
हाँ. ये कितने का है? हाँ.
हाँ कितना रेट होना?
How much?
1500.
500. 500?
1500.
Oh, 1500. 1500.
Oh, very nice.
Very nice. Acha hai.
Yes.
Hello, sir. How are you? Hey, camera. Let's turn it down a little bit. There we go. Mira dostos.
Hey, grandfather.
Your grandfather. Oh,
Kiss me.
I don't know if this is his actual grandfather. Hello, sir. How are you? Oh. Hello.
Kiss me.
Dressing.
Grandfather.
Your grandfather.
Kiss me.
Ah. I think he's going to do something, I think. It looks like he's about to flash us. Sundar hai.
Sundar Rajan.
You want to know what my favorite thing in the world is? You knew? How'd you know? God. Ji. Chahiye, please. Hello जी, how are you? जी ये कितने का है? हाँ हाँ ठीक है.
20.
Would you want one? Well, this guy right here just sat behind me. What is your name, sir? Sorry? Assalam. Ah, Assalamu alaikum. Where are you from?
Yeah, from India.
Yeah. You're from India?
Yeah,
Wow.
Flora Fountain.
Oh, wow.
Flora Fountain.
Very nice. Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
How was your day? Do you live here in Chennai?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
Very cool. Do you have a family?
Family, yeah.
Yeah. Do you have kids?
Yeah, married.
Marriage. How many kids do you have?
Family, married.
Wow. Do you have a son?
Yeah.
A son and a daughter?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are their names?
Yeah.
Your son's name? Family name. Wow. I don't think he understands me, but he's a beautiful man nonetheless. Yeah. मेरा दीदी है.
Yeah. No problem.
Hello, sir.
No problem.
No problem. कोई बात नहीं. You are a good man.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Huh?
Thank you, sir.
You're so welcome, sir. Well, this has been Burma Bazaar. Hello, G. Namaste, G.
Namaste.
Tell everybody, say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Hands up.
Did you know that Lord Shiva listened to high tech?